What's going on, guys? My name is Kai from Techademics, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite on iOS. So to get Fortnite on your phone, the first thing you want to do is make sure you have enough room. So you will need 2 GB of space, and you will need to make sure you're on the latest update of iOS, which is 11.2 as of now. So once you know you've got enough space and you're on the right update, you want to go to this website here. It's fortnite.com/iOS. It's going to lead you to a page that looks like this, and then you want to click on download on the App Store. Now that's going to redirect you to the App Store. Obviously you want to just download it, and then once it's done you want to go ahead and open it. So when you open Fortnite, you will be greeted to a page that looks like this. Now it does take quite a while to load in, as it is a very large game. It's 2 GB and the graphics are actually fairly impressive for a mobile game. Okay, so once you get to this page here, it's basically asking you if you have been invited to play the game. So because it's invite only, the creators of Fortnite push out these patches, or should I say these codes at random. So if you do sign up for a code, or put yourself on the waiting list, it is recommended to use more than one email. That way you've got more of a chance of actually receiving a code. If you have received a code, that's great, just click on yes, log in, and you can successfully play Fortnite. If not, just keep trying to sign up for the waiting list. Like I say, try and use multiple emails and you've got a high chance of receiving a code. So that is how you play Fortnite on iOS. I hope this video was helpful, so please leave a like if this video was helpful. If you do have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to see more videos like this.